Because
This is a short video on how to set the machine up for running. Normally, what you'll do here at the hydraulic station is to loosen these 4 bolts, remove the lid and fill in hydraulic oil. And the amount of oil that has to be in the machine you can see in the manual. But on this particular machine it's already filled in. Then the machine comes pre-wired. You have a wire here that you have to put a plug on. Normally it's delivered without a plug because we don't know what kind of plug you have in your origin. But this has already been plugged up with a CE plug. So we'll put this in, put power on the machine. Then we'll turn the main power switch. Light will come on. First thing you want to do then is to reset the safety reset. This is combined with these. So press it so it has a constant light. Then you'll see the display has come on. It says HBM machinery. Touch this once, you'll be in the program mode. Start up the pump. Touch origin. The machine will set itself up and calibrate the back gauge. And now you're ready to go.
thank you, Uffe. Well done.